Welcome art enthusiasts and tech lovers to our countdown of the top 7 free AI image generators. Whether you're a professional designer looking for inspiration or someone who just loves playing with cutting-edge technology, this video is for you. Get ready for an entertaining and enlightening journey through the world of AI-generated art. But before, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, please firstly subscribe to our channel and like the video. So let's dive in. 7. Deep Dream Generator. Kicking off our list at number 7 is Deep Dream Generator. Known for its surreal and psychedelic images, this tool transforms your ordinary photos into dreamlike masterpieces. It's like having Salvador Dali in your computer, minus the mustache. First, head over to Deep Dream Generator. If you're new, create an account. If not, just log in with your credentials. Click on the Create button and upload the image you want to transform. It could be anything from a selfie to a landscape. Browse through a variety of preset styles or, if you're feeling creative, come up with your own unique style. Once you've selected your style, hit Generate and watch the magic unfold. The AI will process your image, adding a dreamlike, surreal twist to it. When it's done, you can save your newly transformed masterpiece and share it with the world. It's an easy and fun way to create stunning, surreal art. Give it a try and let your imagination run wild. 6. Art Breeder. At number 6, we have Art Breeder, a collaborative image-making platform. Here you can create and evolve artwork using a blend of AI and community input. It's perfect for creating unique portraits, landscapes, and even anime characters. Plus, you get to mix and match styles like a mad scientist. First things first, head over to Art Breeder. This is where all the magic happens. If you're new to Art Breeder, you'll need to sign up. It's a quick process. Just enter your details and you're good to go. If you already have an account, just log in. Once you're logged in, click on Create to start a new project. You'll see options for different categories like portraits, landscapes, anime, and more. Choose the one that fits your creative vision. Now comes the fun part. Use the sliders to blend and evolve different images. This is where you can get really creative. Adjust various aspects like facial features, colors, and backgrounds to create something truly unique. Think of it like being a mad scientist, but for art. Once you're happy with your creation, go ahead and save it. Art Breeder makes it easy to share your artwork with the community or download it for your personal use. Show off your new masterpiece to your friends or use it in your projects. Don't be afraid to play around with the sliders and settings. Some of the best creations come from experimenting. 5. Runway ML lands at number 5. This versatile tool offers a suite of AI models that can generate images, videos, and even music. With its user-friendly interface, you don't need a PhD in computer science to create stunning visuals. It's like having a personal assistant who's really good at Photoshop. First, head over to Runway ML. This platform is a playground for anyone interested in AI-powered creativity. If you're new to Runway ML, you'll need to create an account. It's a quick process. Just enter your email and create a password. If you already have an account, simply log in with your credentials. Once logged in, you'll find a plethora of AI models at your disposal. These models can do everything from generating images and videos to creating music. Take some time to browse through the available options. For this tutorial, we'll focus on image generation. Select an AI model that suits your project. Each model has different capabilities, so choose one that aligns with your creative vision. Now, you'll need to upload any necessary input images or texts. This could be a base image you want to transform, or a text description of what you want the AI to generate. Make sure your inputs are clear and high quality to get the best results. With your inputs ready, click the Generate button. The AI will process your inputs and create an image. This might take a few moments, depending on the complexity of the task. It's like having a mini Photoshop right at your fingertips. Satisfied with your creation? Go ahead and download it to your device. Runway ML offers various download options, ensuring your image meets your desired quality and format requirements. Runway ML has a vast library of AI models, each designed for different types of projects. Don't just stick to image generation. Explore models for video editing, audio processing, and even text analysis. 4. Picasso. Picasso sits comfortably at number 4. This mobile app uses AI to convert your photos into abstract art. It's as simple as taking a picture, selecting a style, and letting Picasso do its thing. Install Picasso from the App Store or Google Play. Launch Picasso and sign in. Choose a photo from your gallery. Browse and select from various artistic styles. Click Go Picasso to create your artwork. Save your image and share it directly from the app. Use high-resolution images for the best results. 3. Night Cafe Creator. This tool uses neural style transfer to create mesmerizing art from your photos. With its batch processing and bulk creation features, you can generate multiple pieces at once. Swing by the Night Cafe Creator website. It's where the magic happens. Get in on the action by either signing up or logging in. Time to make your mark. Ready to unleash your creativity? Hit Create and choose the Style Transfer option. That's where the real fun begins. It's like setting the stage for your masterpiece. Ta-da! Your masterpiece is ready. Download it. And don't forget to share it with the world. Time to let your creativity shine. It's like hosting your very own art gallery. 2. DALL Mini. DALL-E Mini is a simplified version of OpenAI's DALL-E, designed to generate images from text descriptions. It's like having a genie in your browser, except instead of 3 wishes, you get unlimited weirdness. Dive into the world of creativity by heading over to DALL-E Mini. It's like stepping into a virtual artist's studio. Time to flex those imaginative muscles. Describe the image you want in the quirkiest, most creative way possible. Think outside the box. Ready, set, go. Hit that run button and watch as the AI works its magic to bring your description to life. It's like having your own digital artist at your command. Now comes the fun part, exploring the results. Take a stroll through the gallery of generated images and see which one speaks to your soul. Found your new favorite masterpiece? Don't let it slip away. Download it and share it with the world. It's time to spread some artistic joy. Want to really push the boundaries of creativity? Be as wild and imaginative as possible in your descriptions. The crazier, the better. You never know what masterpiece might emerge. Okay guys, before we reveal our last image generator, it's our request to please to our channel and hit that like button. If you're enjoying this video, we're really working hard to make this amazing content for you. Your support is our strength. Okay, now back to the topic. 1. Crayon. And the top spot goes to Crayon, previously known as Doll-E Mini. This AI generator takes your text prompts and turns them into amazing images. Want to see a dragon made of flowers or a robot chef? Just type it in, and Crayon will create it for you. Head to Crayon's website and get ready to unleash your creativity. Write a vivid description of what you want to bring to life. The more details, the better. Hit the draw button and watch as the AI generates stunning images for you. Browse through the generated images and choose the one that resonates with you the most. Download your chosen image and share it with the world. The more imaginative and detailed your description, the more amazing the generated images will be. There you have it, folks. The top 7 free AI image generators. Each of these tools offers unique features and endless possibilities for creativity. Whether you're an artist, designer, or just someone who loves to experiment with new technology, these AI generators are sure to inspire and entertain. Thank you for joining us on this artistic adventure. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting content. And if you have any favorite AI tools we missed, let us know in the comments below. See you in the next one. Until next time, take care.